Love the dust bag. We all need dust bags for our handbags. And look at this beauty. Hey guys, so I'm here today with another review, and I've partnered up with Teddy Blake, and I'm super excited to be collaborating with him today because I just received the most beautiful handbag from them, and honestly, like, I cannot wait to show you everyone about this bag because it is really a beautiful, well-made, high-quality, luxurious bag. So let's get this review started. I'm so excited to show you guys. So I want to show you how this beautiful handbag comes in. Okay, the presentation is beautiful and the packaging is beautiful. Like, I am so in love with just how the bag looks, okay, and how luxurious it is, but also the presentation. I'm big on presentation when it comes to brands, so they honestly went over the top. The box that I came in was huge, so it makes you feel like, oh my gosh, I got this big box for me. And for me, this is like a Christmas, for me, this is like my birthday gift, really, because from Teddy Blake, because they just sent this over to me. And yes, it's my birthday month. November is my birthday month, and I'll be celebrating my birthday in the next few days. So this is like, I got a big box and it's my birthday, so this is like my birthday gift. So I'm so excited. I was like so happy that I got the bag in time just for my birthday. And honestly, the presentation is amazing, and you guys will see the unboxing of it. It's beautiful. It's just like this big branded box, and with the handbag, and it's just beautiful. They did such an amazing job with the branding, so I give them a thumbs up. But most importantly, the bag is just what steals everything. I mean, this is a beautiful handbag, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the unboxings, and you guys can see how beautiful it comes in.
So look at this big box, how amazing the branding is. I love black and white branding. It has a nice little message, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. All the details is really thought out and beautiful. It also has an additional message on the box with Teddy Blake, New York, and designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. So beautiful. Like, I really love these little details. So I want to show you guys um, the bag and how beautiful it is. Teddy Blake has Dream Designs, which is a team of designers pitched from well-known luxury brands. Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. If you don't see your Teddy Blake yet, subscribe. We will release new collections every month. I love that it comes in a dust bag. We all need dust bags for our handbags, so this just makes it, even more luxurious. And take a look at how beautiful my bag is. I'm so excited. And this is a Ava and beige, and it's croc leather, and it has gold detailing, which is so beautiful. Like, I'm so in love with this handbag. It is premium Italian leather, so enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pilarities, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. Also, the craftsmen behind it, the experience working in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands, and following the knowledge gathered from decades of experience in the luxury leather. Their laborers will turn Teddy Blake bag into a work of art. As you can see here, this handbag is just truly a work of art. I'm really happy with the handbag. And it's true, made in Italy, respecting the label's history. They made sure that each Teddy Blake bag is categorized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands, as we never as they never compromise on quality, which you can see like how beautiful all the detailing is. The stitching is beautiful, guys. Um, Made it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury house and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost for just the label. With Teddy Blake, you enjoy luxury at a fair price always. And look at the inside, guys. This is suede. I was not expecting it to be suede from the inside. So this is a very luxurious handbag at an affordable cost. I cannot stress that enough, guys. It's really beautiful and it's well made. I'm definitely going to be purchasing a handbag for my mom, actually, because I'm in love with the bag and the quality. This is a must if you want to buy, uh, and if you love luxurious brands.
Isn't that just an amazing package? Like, who would not be like? I saw it and I was like, oh, this is amazing. Like, it just makes you so happy to receive like a big box. You know, this is a great birthday present. This is a great Christmas gift. This is a great anniversary gift. This is just an amazing gift. You know, if you guys don't know what to get your girl, just buy her a Teddy Blake bag. Like, you cannot go wrong with that. Like, she will love you forever just by receiving this bag or this box. Like, she's gonna go crazy. So I want to talk to you guys about the brand. So the brand is Teddy Blake, and they have luxury designer, luxury brand. Oh my god! So I want to talk to you guys about the brand, and it's Teddy Blake, and they are a luxury handbag bag store. They actually get their bags manufactured in the same places where designer or higher end bags are made. So you know that the quality of the leather is high, and the manufacturing of it is high, because they're getting these bags are getting made where, you know, other luxury brand names are getting their bags from, and they're made in Italy. So this is beautiful, and it's another great way to know that you're gonna get a quality bag if they're getting manufactured in the same facilities, right? So I'm in love with this. I love the color, and I want to tell you guys why I picked this color. One, because I don't really have a color like this, and I chose the Ava beige with gold details in croc, because I don't have a croc style bag. I usually go for like black, because I mean black goes with everything, right? Or brown. So I wanted to be like, okay, I'm gonna choose something that I don't have, but it's still versatile. Like, I still can pair it with other things, you know. It's still a neutral color that can go with a lot of outfits. Speaking of which, I have a try on haul for you guys with this bag, what I would wear it with, how I would pair it, and just picking up a lot of the gold tones from the bag. I think it's just stunning. It's beautiful. It has a zipper in the back. I don't know if I showed it on the unboxing. I mean, it's well made, guys. It's just beautiful. I love the fact that the inside is suede. It's beautiful. Like, I just love this bag. It's gonna be like my go-to bag for like this whole month. But I can't wait to go out and just rock it and tell all my friends about it, because it's beautiful. So if you guys don't know what to get for the holiday season, and you wanna wow whomever it is that you wanna wow, buy them a Teddy Blake. Okay, you guys, they're gonna love you guys forever if you guys get them a Teddy. So let's roll to the try on haul, and let me know what you guys think. Do you guys love this bag? Make sure to check them out. They have so many other styles that I actually want to go out and purchase. So hint, hint, guys, if you guys are watching this and you guys want to get me a birthday gift, you guys can get me a Teddy Blake. So I'll make sure to link all the information down below so you guys can check it out. They have good deals, they have specials, they have markdowns. Again, they're affordable, and you guys are gonna get a really high luxury quality leather bag. So make sure to check that out. I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna roll the try on with the handbag. Let me know what style is your favorite of the outfits that I picked out. Which one is your favorite? And let me know if you're gonna get me a bag down below. Bye guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Bye.